Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can trade on Binance. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Binance app, and now once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Binance apps on in the screen, where you can see there is a trade and futures option just down below of this dashboard. You can either choose trade or futures because the process is gonna be same. So let me choose trade for now, and now you can see there is a BTC/USDT right above of this dashboard, which is at the top left corner. So let's tap on it, and you can choose your cryptocurrency from here to trade. So you can see lots of options over here: favorites, holdings, USDT, FDUSD, and so on. So let's close it, and now you can see there is a buy and sell option, and make sure your limit must be market. And now finally adjust the amount, or you can also enter the amount manually. Let's say 100 for now as a demo. So finally tap on the sell BTC, or just tap on the buy and tap on the buy BTC, and you will be able to trade on Binance successfully. So basically this is how you can trade on Binance app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.